Hello there, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing 3 tricks on how to multiply 2-digit numbers very quickly. And I will even be sharing how to multiply 3-digit number by a 2-digit number quickly as well. Now let's start with the first trick, multiplying a 2-digit number by 11. This is very easy to do. Anytime you have to multiply a 2-digit number by 11, here is how you're going to do it. So let's start with the first one. 43 times 11. If you have this kind of number, see this one, 2-digit number by what? 11. To multiply 43 by 11, here's what you're going to do. Take this 43 and write 4 and 3 with a space in between them. Then you add the digits 4 and 3. What is 4 plus 3? That's 7. So you put 7 here and your answer is 473. Is this not cool? So this is how you multiply a 2-digit number by 11. Let's try another case. Number 2. 68 times 11. 68 times 11. Now let's leave a space again. Write 6 here. This is 68. So you write 6, leave a space and write 8. We want to add 6 and 8. If you add 6 and 8, you are going to get what? 14. But you cannot write 14 here. You will have to write 4 and take 1 and add the 1 to the 6. So that will be 4. Then you add 1 here. Okay, so what's your final answer? That becomes 748. Very easy, very straightforward. Here's how to multiply a 2-digit number by 11. Now, I did mention that I was going to be sharing how to multiply a 2-digit number by another 2-digit number. But I just want to take it a step further by showing you how to multiply a 3-digit number by 11 as well. So let's try another case. Number 3. This one says 352 times 11. This trick here only works when you're multiplying a 2 or 3-digit number by 11. It has to be 11. Take note of that. Okay, let's begin with this. 352. So you are going to write 3 here, the first digit, and then the last. Leave 2 spaces, then write 2. Just leave out the 5 out of it, then write 2 here. So we're going to write 2 digits in these 2 spaces. So what is going to be the digit in the first space and the second space? So let's start with the first one. This is 5 and this is what? 3. So what you are going to do is to add 5 to 3. 5 plus 3 is what? 8. So you write 8 in the first space. Come to the second space. Now you are going to add 5 to the other digit, which is 2. So 5 plus 2 is what? 7. So you are going to write 7 right here. You see, that's pretty straightforward and easy. So your answer is what? 3,872. I know you're going to ask me, what about if you have a case where when we add the 2 digits, it's going to be more than 2 digits, the result? Here, when we added 3 to 5, we had 8, just a single digit. When we added 5 to 2, we had 7, just a single digit. But what about if we have to add the 2 digits and it gives us a 2-digit number? What are we going to do? Let me show you in the second case here. For number 4, still on multiplying a 3-digit number by 11. Let's try this one out. 574 times 11. Okay, so again, write 5 and leave 2 spaces, 1 and 2. Then you write the last digit, 4. So what are we going to do? Look at this. This is 5, 2 spaces, and then 4. 7 was not written because the trick is for you to leave out the middle number. Then you add 7 to 5. If you add 7 to 5, what are you going to have? That's what? 12. So write 12. You don't worry, just write 12 here first of all. Then add 7 to 4. What is 7 plus 4? That's 11. So you write 11 here. But you know this cannot be the answer, right? What you are going to do is to take this 1 from here and add it to 5. So take this 1 from here, add it to 5. So plus 1, you take it out of there, add it to 5. Then once you have, so let's do that first. 5 plus 1 is what? 6. Okay. But what about this 11? You take 1 from this 11 here and add it to this 2. So this 2 becomes 3 here. Then you know this is just 1. So you have 1 here and then you have 4. You see, this is how to multiply a 3-digit number by 11. It's just because I'm explaining this, you can actually do this in less than 5 seconds. You can quickly multiply a 2-digit number or a 3-digit number by 11. So we are done with the first trick. Let's look at the second trick. So for the second trick, it says multiplying 2-digit numbers with the same first digit and ending in 5. This has to be the condition. So let me show you something. 75 times 75. As you can see that the first digit here is 7 and the first digit here is 7. It has to be the same first digit and the both number must end in 5. So here you have 5 and here you have 5. How are you going to multiply these two numbers? Very, very easy. So here's what you are going to do. Look at this 7. Of course, this is 7, this is 7. So you are going to multiply 7 by the next whole number, by the next integer. After 7, what do you have? If you are counting from 1 upward, after 7, you have what? 8. So you are going to take 7 and multiply it by the next integer, which is 8. 7 times 8 is what? 56. You write 56 here. And then you multiply 5 and 5. What is 5 times 5? That's what? 25. So see what we have. This is the answer. 75 times 75 is 5,625. Very easy, like I said before. Let's try another case. Number 2. 35 times 35. Of course, I'm sure you can do this. You can see that they both have the same first digit, 3, and they both end in 5. So the way to multiply this, take 3 and multiply 3 by the next whole number, by the next integer. After 3, you have 4. So you multiply 3 by 4. 3 times 4 is what? 12. You write 12 here. And then 5 times 5, of course, is what? 25. So what's your answer? 1,225. So here's what you're going to do for me. In the comment section, I want you to try this and put it in the comment section. 85 times 85. And then to put your answer in the comment section. Now this takes us to the next trick. Let's go there. So here's the third trick that I said we're going to be considering. Multiplying 2-digit numbers with the same first digit, and look at this, and sum of the ending digit is 10. Okay, let me give you an example. So 44 times 46. Please, you must make sure that the ending digit, that's the last digit, 4 and 6 here, as you can see, they must add up to give you 10. 4 plus 6 is 10, obviously. And the first digit for each number is what? 4 and 4 respectively. So the first digit must be the same, but the ending digit must add up to 10. So it's very easy to multiply these two numbers, okay? Now, how do you do this? Like I explained when I was trying to tell you how to multiply two numbers that end in 5, okay, but the first digits are the same. So in this case, the first digits are the same. So what you're going to do is that you multiply 4 by the next integer. What is 4 times 5? That's 20. So this is going to be what? 20. But you now multiply 4 and 6. What is 4 times 6? That's what? 24. So you write 24 here. And this is your answer. Very, very easy. 2024. This is almost similar to the one we did with trick 2. Yeah. So let's try another case. 67 times 63. As you can see, the first digit for each of the number is 6, and the ending digit, they add up to 10. See, 7 plus 3 is what? 10. So let's do this together. 6 here, like I explained before, you multiply 6 by the next integer. After 6, you have 7. What is 6 times 7? That's 42. So your answer is 42. Then you now multiply 7 and 3. What's 7 times 3? That's 21. So you write 21 here. This is your answer, 4,221. So let's try one more as a bonus to you. Number 3, let's multiply 89 by 81. Of course, as you can see here, the first digit 8 and 8 respectively, and the last digit, they both add up to 10 because 9 plus 1 is 10. So let's multiply. You take 8 here, you multiply by the next integer, which is 9. 8 times 9 is what? 72. So you write 72 here. However, if you multiply 9 by 1, you are going to get 9. But we don't want to write just a single digit. You are not supposed to write a single digit. So 9 can be written as what? 0, 9. So you write 0, 9 here. And this is your answer. Don't forget to drop your answer in the comment section and let me know what you think about these tricks that I have shared in this video. Consider subscribing to this channel if you have enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next one. It's bye for now.